Okay, this is a short video about my noise that I have on HF. It's a raspy buzzing sound that I believe is broadband power line noise. It happens on 20 meters most of the time, a little bit on 40, 17 meters, 10 meters, around in those areas. And it comes and goes. It's 95% of the time on 20 meters. And let's hear what it sounds like. It's pretty terrible. And if I turn on the noise blanker, it kind of takes it away. Most times it does a decent job, but today it seems particularly bad. Then if I tune down, it completely goes away, pretty much. It'll completely go away. And then I'll tune back up. So any advice on what this might be or how to deal with it would be appreciated. I've had this for an awful long time and I decided it's time to deal with it. So thanks in advance for any opinions. This is Tom W3ZX.